I've been using Descript.com for a really long time. I've been going to their classes twice a week. I've been taking their webinars, and I can confidently say that Descript has undergone a radical transformation in the last year or so. What was once mainly a podcasting app has now become a truly unbelievable video and podcast editing software that has left everyone I share it with in awe. Descript has the ability to simplify podcasting and video creation in ways that you never thought possible. That's why I'm excited to announce my new intensive course with 6 modules that'll show you anything and everything you need to create videos, podcasts, social media videos, interview videos, pretty much anything with Descript.com faster and easier than ever before. Some of the features of Descript are truly mind-blowing. For example, you can edit the text of a document, and any changes you make in the document will be made in the video. This means that if you can edit a text document, you can now edit video. Descript also takes out all the filler words, the ums and the ahs, and makes your videos sound so much better with just a couple of clicks. And whether you're an experienced video editor or you absolutely hate video editing, this software could not be more simple and intuitive. And I love the fact that you can now create a green screen no matter what your background is, even if you don't have an actual green screen. That means you can remove any background that you have and put in any other background that you want, video, photos, it's all included in Descript. You don't need to have an actual green screen to use the one-click green screen function in Descript, which is just one of the many mind-blowing features. I think this software is going to turn video editing on its head and turn all of us into more prolific creators. Whether you do videos, podcasts, interviews, social media posts, or whether you're doing work for clients. It'll make your workflow so much faster and make everything you create look so much more professional. If you're interested in learning more about Descript and how it can transform your video and podcast creation, please check out the details for my course on this page. So I hope to see you there. Thanks.